Want to try Surfshark VPN completely free on your desktop? Here's how the free trial really works in 2025. Welcome to Offers Collection. We share the best VPN and hosting deals so you don't waste money. Surfshark offers a 7-day free trial, but it's only on Android, iOS, and Mac. The official free trial link with 89% off is at the top of the description. Just download the app, sign up, and your trial starts instantly. Once you've started the trial, log in with the same account on your Windows desktop or laptop. The trial works across devices, no extra setup needed. If you want a longer test or you're on Windows only, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. Sign up for any plan on Surfshark's website, and if you're not happy, request a refund within 30 days, no questions asked. Both the 7-day free trial and the 30-day guarantee give you full access. Unlimited devices, streaming unlock, clean web ad blocker, WireGuard speeds, and more. Ready to test Surfshark? The official free trial link is at the top of the description. Try it today, risk-free. Quick question before you go. Would you use Surfshark more for streaming or for privacy? Comment below, I'd love to know. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick VPN guides and deals.